You want a cookie? What is it? Are you eating hummus?
You got your first Band-Aid?
You want a cookie? Oh, does your foot hurt? Let me see your first Band-Aid ever. Oh, Mama kiss it. How better? How better? You want a cookie? Make you feel better? You do? Say cookies.
Cookies?
Can you say cookies, please?
Cookies, please?
Say cookies, please.
Yeah, that's good, huh?
Get the kid a cookie. He said please.
Mm-hmm.
He gets everything he wants. Can you say cookies?
Get the kid a cookie. You heard the kid. Get him a cookie.
Are you sleepy, baby? You want to go night-night? You go night-night? There are the cookies. Say thank you. Say thank you. No, that's gross. You don't want to dip it in that.
Thanks.
Are you okay? You can't dip a cookie in hummus. It's not good. It doesn't taste good.
Can you say thank you?
Say thank you.
You're welcome.